So there's one question which arises very often, and that is like, do you also need blocked account for the second year? And it kind of makes sense if they're saying you have to show 853 euros every single month. How do you have to just show the blocked account only once? And that is like the 10,236 euros. So some of the states are going to give you, on the basis of your nationality, directly the residence permit as a student for 2 years after showing the blocked account amount of 10,236 euros. And in some other ones, you also have to show the blocked account again for like, the second year. The first year you come, 10,236 euros, all is great and fine. And then afterwards, in the next year, you have to then show the same amount again. And there's a few different things that you can like kind of do to maybe mitigate this situation of getting like worse, because like 10,236 euros is a big amount again. What I would like generally suggest is 853 euros is still a lot of money. If you're kind of frugal about it, like you will still not spend 853 euros altogether, like, for whatever you have. Even Alina and I together at this moment are not spending anything more than 700 euros, and that is together. So that like kind of like covers all of these different things. So if you are kind of like frugal about it, like definitely you can save this money on the side, 153 euros on top. And then afterwards, another thing that you can do is have some kind of part-time job. And this is the thing that I sometimes don't understand when some students treat the delivery jobs or any kind of like other like jobs lower, and like that they're not going to do it and something like that. And here's a fun thing, because like not only are you earning money in that job, of course, like, that is one part, but you're actually like getting paid to stay fit, which is like super interesting. You also like kind of learn the value of money, and trust me, like the people whom I've seen like working with some kind of like a delivery company or something, they know that, and like they kind of are really like serious about it, and they save it better. Because you can earn money, but if you don't know how to save the money, you're still going to like stay broke. Like doesn't matter if you earn 100,000 euros or like 200,000 euros after your job starts. So if you would be studying in a smaller city in Germany, it is possible that maybe you don't find so many like bigger companies around you, and that means maybe the field that you're studying in that particular university, there is no company around it. So that means it doesn't make sense for you to like kind of wait so that you're like done with your masters and then start working. Most of the German students, like they are working right on the side. Like some people are working in the restaurants, and some are working in some delivery shops and cafes, whatsoever, whatever work they can find, they are doing it because they know the importance of money, and they know the importance of not going into debt. So again, working part-time shouldn't overtake the main purpose of you coming here, which is like completing your master's and then starting working full-time, because like that is super important. But if you feel like you need this extra money and you want to work and you have some kind of spare time, just do not miss out on it. Save it on the side. It is going to be really helpful for you if you have to show the money for the next year again. Most of the times you have to ask the individual AUSLÄNDERSBEHÖRDE. So like wherever you're going, like ask them, whichever university or whichever city you're going to, ask the AUSLÄNDERSBEHÖRDE there and tell them if it is possible for them to let you know if you would need the blocked account amount for the second year too, or just for the first year. And this could also be formulated as, would you be getting your residence permit or like the visa extension for 1 year after your student visa, or for 2 years? Because then it's like better for you, you can plan things a bit better. But in any case, I would like highly suggest like keep these buffers on the side, work part-time, it really doesn't hurt. For now, save your money, put it on the side. If you need, open a savings account separately. Like the savings account doesn't give you a lot of interest, it's just like 0.5% if at all, where you can put the money aside, like whatever you're not using. And also, well, boy, this is getting into finances again, but try to put the money aside at the starting of the month, because towards the end of the month you will rarely find any money left for you which you can put on the side. Whenever you're saving something, and I would tell you from personal experience that it works a lot better than saving money at the end, because most of the times you don't have anything. You will always find some kind of excuses to put that money away into some other kind of like purpose. So try to avoid that. If you want to open your blocked account, the one that I would recommend is going to be Expatrio, because it really is the fastest out there and also has the most competitive pricing and has some like nice kind of additions to it. You can read the details down in the description. I also made a nice comparison video. You can read more details about it in the description. And if you're still in India and you're transferring money abroad, The fastest one that I found is INSTAREM. They try to get your money transferred in as less as just 7 hours. So like, of course, I would not say that like kind of depend on the 7-hour story, because like, yeah, there have been students who have gotten it transferred in 4 hours, and there have been students who have gotten transferred in 2 days. So at least like keep a 2 to 3 day buffer and like try to transfer it as soon as possible. Use INSTAREM. You can use the coupon code BHARATINGERMANY to get a $10 discount or like 710 INR discount. So that is some nice addition to you. You can use the link below to sign up for it, and then afterwards you can use the coupon code, because like the coupon code doesn't work without the sign up through that link. The sign up of course is free. You just need your name and your email address and you're good to go. All right folks, that was the story of Blocked account. In some cities, yes, you get for 2 years, and other cities, no, you just get for 1 year. So it really depends, right? But just do some research on your own, like share your suggestions if you have any kind of comments whatsoever, your own experiences, which city you're from, and if you got 1 year residence permit or 2 year residence permit, share it in the comment section and let's discuss there. Alright then, thanks a lot for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.